Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do something very important for our online website to buy a custom domain name and connect it with Shopify. So first you need to decide a name for your website, and if you don't have one, you can use AI to get better ideas. Since I'm selling different kind of products like journals, jewelry, mugs, candles, and that kind of products to make a brand for gifting purpose. So I'm just typing. I'm using ChatGPT, and I am starting a custom gift store in the US. Give me simple and catchy website name ideas. Hit enter. So you can just change the prompt to match whatever the products you want to sell, whatever products you want to sell. So here are the results. You can pick the name you like the most. So I already decided. So after that step, open the Google and type the domain provider website, like I'm using GoDaddy. Open the website. So you have to create account there. So I'm just creating an account. So you can quickly create the account with your Google login. Now the account is created. So type the name you like the most. Hit enter. And you see different results. Here you see different domain extensions like .xyz, .info, .shop, .store, .online, and there are some more. So .com, I just wanna go with .com because it's the most popular domain extension. So it tells that .com is not available and it's quite expensive. So I'm going with the .store extension. It's the good alternative. Just click on make it yours. Then continue. Continue to cart. I just want this domain starting for 1 year. Ready for checkout. So add your details here, like your phone number, address, city, region, zip code. You can skip organization and tax ID for now. So I'm just adding. So now the domain has been registered. So I'm just open the Shopify, go to settings, and then domains. Connect existing, and you can type the domain you just bought. Just copy and paste. Next. So now we have to update DNS. So open the GoDaddy, My Products, and go to domain. And DNS. So we have to just find type A and name at the rate. And we have to update this to this value. So just copy. So just edit, paste and save. With the same process, we have to update our CNAME record. Again, just copy, edit and save. So I updated DNS records. So it takes few moments and then connect your domain with your Shopify website. So after few minutes, the domain has been connected, but right now it's our primary domain. I want this one as our primary domain. So just change domain type to primary and save. Just view. So now the domain has been connected properly. So that's it for now. In the next video, we'll design our logo and brand and choose our brand colors to make our website to looks more great. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.